Yo. Yeah, check it, I'm posted up on the block again. Keeping this wild scene about to begin. OG Gary coming through, what he riding today? Every time he rolls past, got something new to say. Who that OG on them bikes? Gary. Making all the people look twice. Was he riding through the hood tonight? Clutch engineering, gotta feel it right. First up, rolling past on that Gazelle Arroyo C7 active line motor, got him cruising like it's straight from heaven. 500 watts of power, battery life excessive, 60 miles of range, got him looking real impressive. Turbo mode activated, 50 newtons pushing strong, got the whole block asking where they can cop one. Quality built different, Netherlands engineering, got me standing on the corner straight up volunteering. OG on the bikes, making all the people look twice. Was he riding through the hood tonight? Got engineering, gotta feel it right. Hold up, here we come on that Ultimate T10. Check your red paint job, got the street lit again. 65 newtons torque performance line installed. Disc brakes crispy clean when they need to make that stall. 50-mile range, got them covering mad ground. Up with dealers stocking up, cause we all want one now. Gary switching lanes like he born to do this. Bosch system program perfect, yeah, he proved this.
Join the movement, spread the word. International owners showing love. Facebook group where we converge.
All these riders rising on the Avignon C380. Smart system activated, watch him demonstrate. 75 newtons torque, ain't no debate. Performance line motor got him moving at a crazy rate. Everyone outside just to catch another view. Gary representing what these Dutch bikes can do. Comfort level, maximum support, going global. Every local dealer got him ready for the people. Wait, what's that sound?
Here we come, here we come.
Class 3 power about to shake the ground.
Watch 'em all, watch 'em all.
The Eclipse C380 touch, got the blocking shot. Step through frame design, but it's ready to rock. 28 miles per hour, yeah, that's maximum speed. 85 newtons torque, giving Gary what he need. Don't sit on my corner watching history get made. 4 different Gazelles, got the whole hood amazed. OG Gary showing us the future on 2 wheels. That's precision, got me knowing just exactly how it feels. That OG on them bikes, Gary, making all the people look twice. Was he ride through the hood tonight? Dutch engineering, gotta feel it right. Facts.